I'm here at Internet of Things World in Europe with exhibitors and sponsors Axiros. Can you tell me a bit about Axiros and the work you're doing in IoT at the moment?
Absolutely. So Axiros focuses on three major aspects of the IoT. First, you want your devices to be connected to the platform, and you want them to be enabled and to receive the proper software elements and to be configured so that the application can actually run and function properly. That's the most essential part of any IoT application. So we offer the platform to the application developers and the service provider to be able to execute this function. Second part, which is absolutely relevant, is the ability to exchange data with other platforms in a secure way. It's nothing related to protecting via encryption, it's more on enabling certain stakeholders to get access to those data and presenting a different profile of the data to different users. Third, and which is also important, is the ability to identify who is actually using a device. You can easily think how sensible data coming from a Fitbit device or a wearable or a heart sensor are, and how much you want those data to be protected to go exactly to the individual that are going to use those.
And you'll be speaking later on security, identity management and automated delivery. What are the key points that you're going to cover in your talk?
That is exactly the point. When we put together these functions on automating the delivery of the device, for example, the gateway that is going to control the functions in your home, you want that gateway to be absolutely safe and secure and properly configured. If you are going to protect your house from some of these alarm systems, you don't want to have any kind of problem with connectivity. You don't want to have any kind of problem with lack of energy. So you want all of these configuration to be properly done. Second, when you put together the data that you generate and you export it to your service provider, you want to make sure that you have full control of those data. So we offer to these application developers the ability to properly configure different profiles and make them available to the users of the API.
And beyond that, what recommendations are you going to be making to smart home executives in your audience?
It's smart home, it's smart office, it's smart city, so all of them will have to consider how to monetize the data that they are going to generate with the IoT application. So the key point of attention is openness. Make sure that whatever platform you choose needs to be open to integrate a different type of device and automate the process of delivery. Then they would like to have the ability to monetize from different potential customers of the data. These are the key important points.
And last of all, where would Axiros like to position themselves in 5 years' time in the IoT ecosystem?
We are now a key player with those customers of IoT, which somehow relates to the telecommunication company. What we want to be a fundamental technology element in all those applications of IoT, which involve streaming data, which involve analytics and AI, and also involve the ability to cover industries, like for instance the smart city, which will be a nexus of forces coming from different industries and different technology vendors. Well, that's where we want to be in the next 5 years.
Thanks for your time.